Hi everybody, I'm here just below the bridge between St. James and Charleswood. I'll give you the name down below because I don't remember right now. But I thought I would stop here today because there's a little informational sign that is about St. James. I'll give you some of that information down below as well. But as I was going west this morning, there was City of Winnipeg workers just replacing this sign because it had been damaged and vandalized. So I thought I would get a picture before it happens again. Anyway, if you get a chance, come down to Assiniboine, come over the bridge, come from Assiniboine Park, come from the St. James, Sturgeon Creek pathways. Lots of options here. Bye.